Okay. So I talk to you. I just talk to camera.
I might pop in because
Hi, I'm Mitch Gross. I am one of the new technical pros here at Aputure. And my history, I was a cinematographer for about 20 years and then moved into the other side of things when wanted to be able to help people a lot. I like not just shooting. When I was shooting, I was finding that a lot of my work was about teaching people how we make movies and what we're doing, and doing a lot of consulting. So like, you know what, I actually started getting paid to do that instead of the shooting part of it, because I like the toys and I like helping people make the movies that they want to make and achieve the goals they're trying to achieve. So I went to a rental house and started working there, and then started working in sales with that, and then eventually moved into manufacturing and went to a company called Conversion Design, and we made the Odyssey monitor recorders. From there, I moved to Panasonic, and I was the cinema product manager in charge of cameras like Vericam and the EVA 1. After that, I moved into a couple other companies, one of which was called Axun, that make monitors and video recorders and the devices that make a video signal go into things like your iPad and be able to use that as a monitoring device. I also worked with a company called Prolycht, or sometimes people pronounce it Prolycht because of the way it was spelled, Germanic spelling. And that company developed some new color tunable lights, and there's a newer technology that really was expanding what could be done with lighting, especially for this part of the industry, this part of our production world, and doing it with extremely accurate colors that are also very flexible and versatile to be able to make a lot of adjustments to it. That company made a couple of really nifty products like the Orion 300 FS and then the Orion 675 FS. But it was a small company. We could only do so much, and we could only make so many products because we were a scrappy little company, but we just were only so many of us and only had so much bandwidth. And we started talking to another company, Aputure, who had that same kind of mentality of wanting to make newer, interesting products for people and moving forward with things. And they liked what we were doing. And they had the manufacturing prowess and the scale of company to really be able to move forward, and wanted to move into the kind of areas that we were working with in Prolycht. So they bought us, they acquired us, and now Prolycht has been absorbed into Aputure, and I am now working here at Aputure Lighting, where we're introducing lots of interesting new products. Things like the Electrostorm lights that are very high-powered, very highly adjustable, and professional high-end lighting systems, and the new INFINIBARs. These lights that are color tunable, and you can program things into them or just have them on light, and be able to. But rather than the more traditional technology of tube lights. Tubes just came from fluorescent lights, and we just started replacing fluorescent lights, and we just kind of stuck with this shape of a tube. It's actually not necessarily the best shape to be working with. The thing rolls around and it leaks light in every direction, and you have to end up putting tape and stuff on it and be able to control it. Here we have a bar, and you can clamp one bar to another, and you can control the direction of light, so the way it's spilling around, you don't have to worry. And we have accessories you can put on to control it even more. But it's sort of a new way of thinking and a new way of working, and I like that. I like the idea of innovating and moving forward and trying to come up with new solutions based on the problems that people face. I always look at what is it that people are trying to achieve. I don't care about like the devices so much of like, you have to use this thing this way and that thing that way. What are you trying to do? What's your work? And then let's try to come up with new technology that might better serve you to do that. I call it finding the scratch for your itch. Whatever that problem might be, whatever your pain point is. I like helping people being able to do the work that they want to do, not having tools get in their way, but instead serving them to make things happen. So that's kind of my history. That's where I come from, and looking forward to going into the future, putting the Prolycht light engines into Aputure products and serving the community.
So it's just Walter and Mitch at the Cine Gear Expo in Atlanta.
Yep.
I might have some cool news coming up soon. So Mitch is at a company that's pretty phenomenal, and I'll have some behind the scenes of something new on my rolling interview stand to bring me up to 4.1. But Mitch is awesome. I'm glad that I got to interview Mitch at this show. His last show, he was in transition, but Soon's a great product. I tested it out. It's great. I did a nice interview at the Cine Gear Expo, Build Expo. At
Build
Phoenix.
Expo.
But just want to say congratulations to Mitch. Aputure is a phenomenal company. They always have an amazing booth, and the products are being released, and there's going to be some new and interesting products coming out in 2024. So thank you, Mitch.
Thank you, sir.
You're very welcome.
Thank you.
Easy peasy, right?
No problem.